Welcome back, guys. We got the head strap on. They finally came. Obviously from title of the video, we have a roof spoiler here, and we're gonna unbox it and put it on. I got my tiny unboxing knife here, so we're just gonna have at it and then install it. So that is what we're gonna do. I don't know how they have this boxed up. There we go, it's on this side. This is nothing crazy. It's just, It's not no certain one. To be honest, I don't know how well it's gonna fit and all that, cause like I said in last video, if you saw it, this is just a cheapo eBay one. It's just a flat black. I don't quite know if I'm gonna paint it just cause I don't quite care about this car that much. So as long as it lines up somewhat, I think we call that a plus. Oh yeah, it fits fucking perfect, dude. Look at that. Install done. I will see you guys later. JK, I'm gonna go ahead and probably take this 3M tape off and put more on, just because I have better shit than this little thin strips. So I'm gonna probably do that. I'm gonna do that off camera though, because I'll take a little bit and it's nothing like super hard to do. Don't quite. Alright guys, we're back, and the video I watched, well, this is delayed. Okay, we're done with that. Video, I just watched this dude just grabbed it with his hands and ripped it out. I'm not that strong. I'm a little bitch boy. So we're just gonna grab it with this, I guess, and rip it off. Break it, more than likely. I don't care. That's the theme of this car. Come out, young one. Kinda don't want to do it on this side anymore. I don't want to scratch that paint up too much because car is dusty. I hope someone comments about that. Oh, you just scratched that side. There we go. Ah, that's why it's still plugged in down there. Oh well, we got it out. Theoretically, I don't have to plug that hole, but if you can't hear outside, it's raining, and this car is the winter beater, so I'm gonna figure out something over here to plug it. Could one of these seals work? Oil seal kit for a TRX 450R. Hey Joe, if you watched this video, you could have used these. Aw, dude, that's perfect. We just gotta get something to go inside of it now. No, I fucked up. I fucked up big time. There. I did not fuck up. Yeah. Look at that. Perfectness. Then we'll just go around here. I feel bad whoever buys this car next. Okie dokie. I'm gonna wait for that to dry, obviously, and we'll pick back up in like an hour or two. We're all finished up getting that 3M tape off and putting my stuff on. I'm glad I did that because that 3M tape that was on here was like barely even sticky at all. So mine is all on there now. It's a lot thicker, so hopefully it won't off down the highway. We found the heat gun. I'm gonna go ahead and heat up all this tape. If you never worked with 3M before, heat helps a lot with this stuff sticking. and especially lasting a long time. Now let's hope we can put this on straight. Go ahead and get stuck down on that corner. It just barely lines up over here. That's gonna make my OCD go wild if I ever look at this. Whatever, can't be too mad. Like I said, it was barely. It was. That bitch ain't moving. So I have a feeling, since my seals are really dry rotted, I have a feeling that's what's fucking with it over on that side. But at least right here, perfect. But you can see like my seals are really old, dry rotted, peeling up. So I have a feeling I just put it on too much on that side because the seals, you know. Whatever, dude. Looks cool. GoPro, did you die yet? We got the nice roof spoiler, lip thingy, whatever you want to call it. I really like how it looks. It definitely did give the car something, at least on the ass end, so it's not just flat. So I might get the factory spoiler to put on. I'm not a big fan of a lot of wings on these cars. Like I was saying last video, if you heard me rant about it. I want to have something on here. So it's the good start to get me ideas on what I want and what I like. But I really do like it. It turned out nice. Said I can't complain too much. It was only 38 bucks. So obviously if it doesn't look perfect, it doesn't look perfect. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. I appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, stay tuned because trans hopefully be in this week and I can start kind of piecing the car back together and get it moving forward and doing shit. I appreciate you guys watching and see you later.